What is up, my beauties? Welcome back to my channel. We are getting into this Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial for you guys today. If you guys do enjoy this video, hit that like and subscribe button and let's get into this video, beauties. So I'm going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer, and we're just prepping and priming these lids so we can put on these pigmented colors, okay? And I also am just using my flat concealer brush. I did get this from Ulta. And then we're going into the Zodiac Love Signs palette by BH Cosmetics. We're taking that beautiful pink shade by Aries. And then we are going to be kind of doing like a winged out eyeshadow. So we're just going to try to, get it to our best consistency and, get that winged effect. I am using a mascara fan brush. So I'm just more lining it right now, and then I'm going to be lining it and blending it in as well. And also comment down below, my beauties, if you guys are getting more of Maddie vibes or if you guys are getting more of Jules vibes. If you guys have seen the Euphoria show, you guys should check it out if you guys haven't. It's a really cool show. They definitely have a lot of inspirations for makeup that they did, bring into the beauty community, and I think it was really cool, all like the makeup designs that they did do in the show. And comment down below what kind of vibes you guys are getting off of this look over here. Now we're going into the NYX Off the Tropic palette. I'm taking that pink shade, and then we are going to be packing that onto the lid. I'm just using my finger. I think it's going to come out more pigmented this way, so I'm just popping it on. And I'm blending those two colors from the BH Cosmetics and then from the NYX palette, and I'm just blending those two pink shades together to get a right consistency. And I'm also going into these sticky gems. I did get these from Michael's craft store. You guys can find this in the jewelry section if you guys are trying to snag any of these. And they have different colors. They got all the colors of the rainbow, literally. They have white gems. I was initially going to do this with white gems, but I didn't have enough, so I just bought some more pink ones. And, your girl, it still came out popping, so we're just about to pop these little gems onto our eyes. And you guys, I will tell you, this does take a little bit of patience to pop these gems on because sometimes they can fall off from the tweezers. I've had so many moments where they just pop off and I have to go find them on the floor because they popped off. And I'd have to, it's just like you have to be very patient when popping on these gems and, just lining it up and getting everything, winged out and looking beautiful. Okay, beauties? And then I'm also going into these Lash Couture Naked Drama Kiss Lashes. And then I'm popping those onto my eyes. And then we're also going into this Water Drop Primer. This is from Wet n Wild. I did really like this primer, you guys. I would recommend for you guys to snag it. It is a really good primer and it's not too expensive, and it gets the job done, ladies. And then I'm also going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect and my True Match Lumi from L'Oreal. We're blending these two foundation shades together so I can come close to my skin color. And we're just popping that on our skin, and then we're just blending out this out. I am blending this out with my Selfie Ready foundation brush, and we're just, blending all this foundation together so we can get that full coverage vibe over here, okay? And then I also am concealing my eyebrows as well, and I didn't carve them out yet on the top, so I'm just doing that right now in this video. And then I'm also taking my Maybelline concealer by Face Studio, and I'm popping that on. It blends a little bit more into my skin tone, I believe, more than my Milani Conceal and Perfect, because my Milani is about 2 shades lighter, and then this Maybelline is about a shade lighter. So I'm just, concealing it up, in the main parts that we do for concealer. And first I am going in with my concealer brush, and I'm making sure I get in all my crevices, in my eye, and getting everything concealed up. And you beauties, I did also put this in real time for you guys so you guys can see, you know, my techniques and how I put my eyeshadows on, my foundation, my concealer. And so you guys can see how I do this in real time. And then I also am taking my beauty blender and I'm blending that concealer out so I can get more of, you know, a gradient, you know, finish. It doesn't look, you know, all blotched from my concealer to my foundation. It just goes smoothly together. And then I'm also taking my Banana Luxury Baking Powder by Makeup Revolution, and I am doing something very rare in my video, you guys. I am baking with my powder, and I'm just gonna put that on my face, set it on my face, and while I do that, I'm gonna put on my contour. And for a contour, you guys, we're going to this BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer in Bronze Babe. And we are just, you know, popping that on to the main contour parts, you know, the cheekbones, the upper of your forehead, you know, sculpt out that jawline so we can get all slayed up for this Euphoria inspired vibes over here, okay, beauties? And this brush is also from the e.l.f. collection. I believe it's like a complexion brush. It's more of a fluffier brush. I did feel like it gave me, you know, more of a smooth blend with this brush for my contour, and it really did blend everything together. And then I also am using my contour brush to contour my nose. It's more of a sleeker brush. And then I am just dusting that powder off, you know, so we can get all set and prepped up, ladies, okay? We can be looking flawless. And I'm going into this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. It's in I'm So Lit, and we're just popping that on with our highlighting brush. This is from the e.l.f. collection as well. I'm just popping that on into our main highlighted part so we can get that iridescent glow. You guys know we gotta glow for this Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial. We gotta, you know, get that glow to the gods on, okay, beauties? And you guys, this Wet n Wild highlighter is very affordable and it does get the job done, so I would highly recommend it for you guys as well. You guys can find this at CVS. I purchased it for about like probably $7 or $8 at CVS. And beauties, look at that glow, girl. Like, we about to glow today. And we're going into this Makeup Revolution highlighting palette, and then I'm also just popping that on as well on top just to get more of, you know, that glow. And then I'm going in with my same NYX eyeshadow, and I'm just popping that on over here from my NYX palette. And then we're just going in with this NYX liner. It's a lip liner, but I do use it as an eyeliner because it's a little more pigmented and it's a little more softer, so I can blend it into my waterline. So it does go with the pink shadow. And then I also am just popping a little highlight into the inner corner of my eye. This is the middle highlighter in the BH Cosmetics Love Sign Zodiac palette. It is a very beautiful highlight. You guys can always just pop it in your inner, you know, close to your tear duct, and it gives you that, you know, that shine, that little glow that you need. And I'm just popping a little tiny little white rhinestone in there as well, so it gives it more of that, you know, outspoken just pop of highlight in there. And we're going into this Maybelline Lasting Fake Setting Spray so we can get, you know, this look all together, you know, set up you know, make this look last all day, all night, however long you want it to last. And we just, you know, setting it up. And this is the completed look, beauties. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. And I love you, my beauties, and I will see you guys on my next video.